what's the message that you want to give it to these listeners, who are working but don't have stamina left to, they don't have financial acumen, how to grow their money.
Sure.
So I would like to have your experience, your knowledge for my listeners.
Sure. Thank you. So it's a great question. And yes, I spent most of my life in Silicon Valley. And as Prashant mentions, my wife worked for Intel, Intuit, and Visa. And so I can personally testify to how tired she was when she came home after a hard day working. So I totally understand the demands on the time of tech professionals, whether in Silicon Valley or in India or China. It's a strenuous job, well compensated. But yes, you have family, friends, community, church, in addition to work. And you only have so much bandwidth. You only have so much energy to give. And so how do you invest? How do you invest safely and securely? And from my experience in Silicon Valley, almost every tech worker I know is heavily invested in the stock market. So one of the benefits, I think, is diversification. Take a certain percentage of your nest egg and invest it in hard, tangible assets that create cash flow and some tax benefits. So I think passive investing in multifamily properties is a great way for tech professionals to, one, diversify their portfolio, create some tax benefits, but more importantly, allow real estate professional, property operators, managers run these businesses, and they're basically multi-million-dollar businesses. Let them run these properties to their peak efficiency to provide you the highest returns with still a fair degree of security. And as we've seen recently, the stock market can be a little volatile. So I think some real estate investment should be a part of everyone's portfolio.